Hello student, Ikra Primary English Medium School, Un Surat Branch, Standard 5th, Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 2, Name a Snack Charmer's Story. Teacher name Samreen Ser Ali. Let's get started. Lesson number 2, A Snack Charmer's Story. Children, you must have seen snack charmers in many movies and pictures, and you must have wondered how these people can control the snack, how these people make snack to dance, from where do they get this kind of snack, and are you scared to touch the snack? We all will get answer to all of our questions from Aryanath. Aryanath, who is a snack charmer, and he is going to tell you his story. Aryanath say he can do something special which he is sure we can't do, and that is playing bean. What is bean? Bean is a musical instrument used by snack charmers to charm snack, and he is right, we can't play the bean, isn't it? Aryanath has learned this art from his father and his grandfather, and the group of people to which Aryanath belongs to are called Kalbeliers. Kalbeliers is the name given to community of snack charmers. The group of snack charmers are known as Kalbeliers. These people move from village to village and entertain people. Generation after generation, they teach this talent to their children. They play bean and charm the snack. Aryanath say his grandfather Roshan Naji was a very famous person among his community, and he will easily catch poisonous snack. Dadaji means grandfather. So Dadaji says from the time of his grandfather and great grandfather they have been saperas. Saperas means snack charmers, and they used to carry their snack in bamboo basket and move from village to village and entertain people. Here you can see the basket which is used to keep the snack. These baskets are made up of bamboos. Whenever they used to stop in a village, people used to gather around them, and snack charmers would take out their snack and make the snack dance by playing the bean, and people used to get entertained because on those days the people did not have TV, mobile, etc., just like we all have nowadays. But those days they used to make people entertain with the help of this kind of show, animal shows. Snack charmers would also carry tin box with them, and after the snack show, snack charmers used to give medicines to the villager, because usually in village the hospitals are very far away. These medicines were made from plants collected from forest, and in returns villager used to give them money or grains, rice, wheat, etc. Sometimes snack charmers were also called to place where someone has bitten by snake. Just by looking at the snake bite, snack charmers will tell which snake has bitten a person. So isn't it great talent? All the snakes are not poisonous. A poisonous snake can cause death on the spot, and immediately that person may die. But when a non-poisonous snake bites, people still have some time to call a doctor or take a medicine. Sometimes when farmer used to come running, snack charmer used to come and catch the snake. But do you know that what snake do in the field? Snake helps human by eating rat present in field which spoil the crop. Snakes are also called farmer's friend, because snake help the farmers to save their crops from the rats. So Aryanath grandfather also know how to remove the fangs of snake, and also how to close the tube of the poisonous gland. After removing the fangs, the snakes no longer remain dangerous, and again it can be let free in the forest. What can we do? Next, Dadaji said that those days were very nice, but now government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Snake are wild animals, so according to government, no one can keep snake with them, not even a snack charmer also. Now why government has made this law? Because there are some bad people also catch and kill the snake and sell their skin at a very high cost. To stop this, people government has made this law that no one will catch this wild animal, and if somebody is caught with this wild animal, he will be sent to jail. It becomes so difficult from them to earn their living without snack. How will they entertain people and anyone? And anyway, snack charmers never harm any snack. Snack were their treasure. Even they used to gift snack to their daughter when they used to get married. But law is law. Law is same for all people. So Kalbelia's people start to dance, entertain people, and their dance called Kalbelia dance. You can see Kalbelia dance in Rajasthan. Kalbelia dance is the famous folk dance in Rajasthan. The movement in Kalbelia dance is inspired by the movement of snake. Thank you.